Before moving on to the next part, you must have not forgotten the giant root-crushing monster, AWI RT-800 in the previous video. Now prepare to feast your eyes on the giant bulldozers roaring and tearing up the ground with incredible power. The opening is the breathtaking performance of the PC-200 excavator as it roars fiercely, rushing up a 30-meter-high slope with an incline of up to 60 degrees. The crawler tracks grind the ground. Rocks and soil fly up. The engine roars as if it wants to tear the space apart. Leave comment number 1 if you feel excited about this scene. Next, the Melro M870 Buffalo Bulldozer roared with 2 Cummins NTC 855 diesel engines, each with 335 horsepower. The front engine was weak, smoking. The 2 torque converters and Clark 4-speed transmission worked hard, creating a dramatic and powerful scene. What a breathtaking sight. The bulldozer bravely rushed into the middle of the rushing river, struggling against the current to rescue the trapped men. Every second was as tense as a bowstring, making viewers unable to take their eyes off. In video number 4, you witnessed the destructive power of Melro M870 Buffalo. Now get ready to experience the world's largest snow machine with a terrifying capacity of 2,000 horsepower. The engine roars, the snow flies blindly, creating a breathtakingly spectacular scene. Stopping there, the SP-49D pile driver continues to impress with 3 hammers operating simultaneously. The sound of the hydraulic hammer resounds. The pile bar and pipe vibrate violently. Each stroke seems to hit the ground hard, creating a scene that is both intense and overwhelming. Leave comment number 1 if you are excited about the power of these giant machines. incredible power exploded as the trapped chassis was pulled out of the raging flood. The engine roared, the cables were stretched to the maximum. Every moment was as tense as a bowstring in the battle for survival between man and ferocious nature. Continuing the journey, Shabbat stands next to the T800 and DET-250 tractors, each machine showing off its own power. The T800 and DET-250 operate powerfully. Their engines roar, competing with the sturdy steel anvil, creating an eye-catching race between the big guys of the construction site. What awaits ahead is still a mystery. Leave the number one and continue to follow to explore with us. Not stopping there, the Cat 966K excavator combined with the world's largest automatic Kodiak snowblower roared fiercely. The giant machine worked vigorously along the railway tracks, clearing away thick snow, creating a majestic and powerful scene.
That's the bad snowblower.
Continuing the chain of powerful machines, the VRJ machine combined with the Encon broom equipment operates powerfully on the construction site. The engine roars, the broom rotates continuously, sweeping dust and debris flying. Each movement is decisive and precise, creating a scene that is both chaotic and full of mechanical power. After, the DET-250 buoy appeared impressively, gliding on the water without sinking. The engine operates smoothly, creating a magical scene in the middle of the water, making everyone unable to take their eyes off the power and durability of this machine. Back on the job site, the mighty B-10 Bulldozer reigns supreme. The engine roars. The resilient machine flattens the rugged terrain, even the jagged riverbanks. The power and durability of the B-10 makes all obstacles disappear. Facing heavy floods during the rainy season, a series of trucks carrying goods were submerged deeply. Many lost their goods and got stuck. The engines roared weakly before the force of nature, creating a chaotic and dangerous scene along the route. cold of winter, the ZIL-157 D470 snowblower roars loudly, blowing away the thick layer of white snow. The engine operates at full capacity, creating a strong wind, clearing a safe path in the fierce winter, a powerful and impressive scene. In the middle of the challenge, a giant DET-250 unmanned bulldozer stands on the edge of a small bridge, carrying a load of 88,185 pounds. The engine roars, showing off its incredible power. Don't forget to comment number 1 if you're also passionate about these majestic machines. Suddenly, the grader was dragged down the ditch in the middle of the white snow. The engine roared, trying to resist. The wheels spun and slid in the snow, creating a tense and challenging scene between the cold and mechanical power. Continuing the chain of powerful machines, the DZ-98 grader roars loudly on the construction site. The engine operates continuously. The grader blade cuts deep into the ground, pushing the soil and rocks smoothly, creating a flat surface. Every movement demonstrates the superior power and precision of this machine. Next, the mighty bulldozer rushed into the quarry, the engine roaring fiercely. The bulldozer's blade crushed the boulders, pieces of debris flying. The mechanical power broke through all obstacles, creating a fierce and powerful scene on the construction site. Breathtaking moment when an oversized truck transports heavy equipment, climbing a dangerous slope on the construction site of the world's largest modern bridge. Powerful roaring engines combined with advanced technology create a dramatic and impressive scene.